said ya go kan see mu nsam ebrel e won kwantanan ne hye from Eugene Kwame Anane sports team ni nyina bomiti dom ne de dwumade ba besom ene anopai wo enkwantanan ne so na webo Facebook Jafo another room dwumade no live on Facebook into rema obetime do comment no enso aba agude etna sia working kan dwumade no enso the amount to follow Facebook messages no ebra opemso radio on Facebook ne yankin kan ni nyina emfa emane yansem na se dia na mi rem Ghana Football Association no asia ya de say eye nyina nimsam metre eye bribery and eye corruption ehun sensem a ekoso in the Ghana Premier League match the 34 ebra na Ashanti Gold any interlies bobo no ebo ewo boas na sa game no ya de say 7 goals and ebam as gold team na nkasa ehye emu enum ana player fan Hashmi Musa captain edema interlies bobo no ono so ehye no ho mienu ewo sa game no ma ni nyina and say player no de betuja say ono de otete say game no na 5-1 ono so ne suma osom no emma ne kwan emma no entwa bet enti ade say koi say okwa say bet na mpan so o say bet no enkofo egaye pa na no ana GF no start investigations ade say players no omo frefre bia eye redu mensa we goalkeeper edema interlight boboko no omo to omo nsa ede friend seto say esi akan edema Ashanti Gold boboko no ade say GF investigation team no eto omo nsa ede friend Hashmi Musa enso esi akan edema team my friend interlight ade say GF investigation team no enso eto omo nsa friend nam so ema Ghana Football Association president Kat ESO Keku enso ewuramu ewo meche the CID department of the Ghana Police Service na ho no kwen on mpanifo ekodi di nkomo na ade say COP Isaac Kenyabua opanyin ono na ye meche director general oda CID adwumakuo no ano no na nkomo twetwe na ade say omo tsira papa ne say onhwe na on investigation team a omo nso ebeboa na omo ahwehwe bribery and corruption ehun sensem a ekoso Ghana football mu na mpa ade say de eba and say opanyin friend COP Isaac Kenyabua ade say enra yi wa form a team na omo nso start investigations na de eba and say as good players no ade say omo to omo nsa afrepi na enra meti say ensia ene koye ene ensia beko ade say nyame boa Monday Tuesday any day sa kan nyina ade say as good team no ana omo gusu a omo investigations enso ewo no ma hwe kwan a sa ensem a player ne so ote no ni nyina enso eba na kwan omo nso ede be fast na bribery and corruption on sensem a ate say ewo man mu no ade say ni nyina enso ebe fi ona ensa na empanfo eba beti sa committee ade say yewura SCOP Isaac Kenyabua ono na boss edema CID department no eto ne nsa ede frɛ Prosper Harrison Ado general secretary edema Ghana Football Association afei integrity officer e friend Mr. Obertufo ya de say otonensa efrom eni omudidi di nkomo etoto omo anu kakra nsana ono nso form ESA committee nti omo nso astati adwuma omo he say sa game a ekoso no eniema boni a etoja ewo ho no ni nyina enso ombenya na no pumasi bre na bibia enso akoso kama na wei ena nam so ama GFA president Kat ESO Keku ede ababa tuja say enipa biara obetew anase nipa biara ohun be for sa ensem no enya de se odo ohun betew onfa ohun nchaw Christian say Ghana football for the past 3 seasons ya de say asofa yie pa anase expose ma ye hu the rot in Ghana football to no de onipa biara ya ohun be for sa ensem mu say we executive council member say we na damfo say we ne den kwa no nya de say obema ohun obema ho achiw ye nya de say obema akọ Scott free nti we ensema Kat ESO Keku enso de abatuja ye de ho nsem no de ema ewo ene anopai ewo dwumade no enso aso ne nwram ewo the sports minister enso asoye honorable Mustafa Yusuf ena de nsem tuja o say o GF ni mode mo mabo a omo ama metre 2020-2021 football season no end successfully I say oboma basi yes pa na o ekwan a eniema esi start here and as expose na for the past 3 years yemo league Ghana ha and as expose ni ba wie ya see a realm normalization yewura normalization mu na covid enso ede ne ho ba gi mu a na se ohagi afa ni mode mu o mabo just end the season ya o mabo mo hu mode yente on de obo ma ba so no so mo nkran so mo nkoso na o mo nya adwuma eso na bibia enso enkonkan na Ghana football no enso emfa ne ntuma pa emfa enra ade se GF executive council no enso any division 1 metia board no enso ekotenasia o mo lanche metia the maiden edition of Super 1 and a Division 1 Super League no omonso eko lanche ye na they say 8 teams and I'm penning 4 and so ayoma ombe no aye group A and group B na 8 teams are omonso everybody no ya they say omofa aye 3 zones no they odi first second and I say third place teams no omofa omo ye best mienu omofa omo ye best mienu e wo sa air zones ni mintinu hema e babia ni Go Stars Sky FC Samates RTU Bofo Akwatano Brekum Arsenal Accra Lions any Tamayut sa 8 teams way and omonso ade say Super League meter Division 1 Super League cup competition basono omonso ebesi akan na djumade no ni nyina enso ebesase September 19th September and djumade no enso ebesase na games ni nyina enso ebekoso ewo pramprama yade ehun nsem no enso ede ma na yade say two teams from each group A 2 group B 2 and ever qualify meche semi-finals nim na afa dwumade no enso atoaso ni nyina omutimpo ene se omoboa na adese division 1 no bibia enso akoso kama division 1 menunti ana omode sa Super League competition we aba ebeboa na bibia enso akoso kama division 1 no enso emuyemrem Black Stars no enso aso enyambo otina efiada 11 am adese coach CK Akono enso ebebobo emrantia Ghana yen 2 games a ede anim September mete next month no ade se ode omudin enso ebetu ya na Ghana yebebo Ethiopia on Friday 3rd September ewo Cape Coast na fei 6th September adwada no yebewem Johannesburg na ye ne South Africa enso akobo mecha na se World Cup qualifiers no Ghana group D Ghana Zimbabwe Ethiopia and South Africa and group ma ye hwese bibia be konkan ama Ghana ye team no ne yatimi qualify APM Qatar 2022 a ye de ho nsem no bro ma menwem House of Folk Boboko no ase enra de ba ene se player ye friend Kofi Koji ade se mpanifo enso ene na wi 2 years ana Kofi Koji okoi wasaba oba be si akan ama House of Folk Bobo Okontogbe afere the 14 enso board chairman Edema House of Folk Boboko no na odin sam kakra enso atuja abra team no enso na share ya omre trophy double na omu wini ye no enso che no.
Not thank our players enough. It was so much joy watching you commit every sinew in you to the cause of the oak tree. Remember, the oak tree stands for what? Resilience, longevity. I text that to one of you, each one of you. I text to you the oak tree and the meaning, each one of you individually. It's important we understand why we are the hearts of oak. Each one has in you a heart of oak, a heart of an oak tree, strength, endurance, longevity. That is why we all have hearts of oak. There's something I've always telling me, just say it again. You see, when I sit back and watch you guys play, the unity that you demonstrate is so refreshing, and I'm particularly excited when I see those on the bench also sharing so much in the excitement. It means we are together. Let us stay together, and together we shall thrive as a group. We shall also thrive individually, and we will support you. Just work hard and be inspired by your ambitions. Thank you very much.
There's a way I am some Togbe after the 14th. Eddie to dry idea a home some no Eddie Emma a way Bibia and chance at Jikakra a show. Nasa and no idea place no equino na omuhanimu na Togbe anuguso or Casana no all Vienna. Nasa or then Casano ever no say now what you my council ever smiling.
Your rewards for winning these trophies will be paid into your accounts this week.
Woman fans and mothers here by Shiano. What's been said? And when they are here, more you can say
I like so much the confidentiality that we have shared recently. Remember when we beat the cities and Honorable Dote came to give you rewards? Nobody had it. Remember, I was so happy. The one big protocol, and he came back again, gave you rewards. It wasn't the media. Is that all right? We keep it like that. This week, before the end of the week, anything outstanding due to you already, your reward for winning this will all lodge into your accounts.
Now, it's a way I and some Togbe after the 14th. Board chairman Edma Hasselfolk Bobo Krona Eritu Da, Yade Ahon Samno, Ede Airmount Ewo Jumadians, Nayan Rum, Ewo Eric Oforianchi, Alawa, Odini Juma, Edma Media Man, and Nadiaba, and it's a player no on it Tima, your fellow Legon cities, and so I agreed 2 years. Okako Siakai, Ede Amom, na Eric Oforianchi, Enra, that is a confirming Edemai. Next way, and some Eric Oforianchi, Alawa, Eddie two Jaya, dear one some no, Eddie Emma, Elmina says Bobokoya, there's someone so chocata, tin, Eddie Aquacoma, a year Tim Rua, Metia Dr. Papa Kwesi Endum, na Jeff de a year letter no, and so ever to Facebook no say, or more letter, the woman say, almost seven upon say, on her non for me a team, or would say, Omunia CEO, assistant CEO, board members, administrators, operations manager, affair Omurama, legal affairs manager. Omupe communications or marketing team and a face support staff with operational secretariat and no eba Elmina Sag Bobo Kone and so actual Edia Kwakuma Papa Kwesi Induma Edia Hunsam no ebro. Now almost say Papa didn't have na new management of a formino current management away on Henwan phobia and so and Rema Edia Hunsam no at the ebro ewo Jumadiano and so as na ya the besi and Noya there's a Chelsea. And so Erini super cap na yade ehonsem no e de bro ntino e ade se enra de neman fa ma enye enkofu bi